Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, we will guide you through securing your website with HTTPS on Namecheap. Adding HTTPS protects your website and helps build trust with your visitors. By enabling HTTPS, we secure the connection between your website and its visitors using an SSL certificate. This encryption keeps sensitive data safe, boosts your website's credibility, and supports better search engine rankings. Let's walk through how to protect your domain using SSL certificates. First, open your browser. Next, go to Namecheap.com. Once you're on Namecheap.com, log into your account. After logging in, go to Hosting. You can find hosting in the upper right corner, in the Account section. Click on Hosting List. In the Hosting list, you will see the Go to cPanel option. Let's go to cPanel. Wait for it to load. Once you are in cPanel, click on Namecheap SSL. Now click this one. Here, we will be signing in with Namecheap Sign In. Once you are redirected to Namecheap SSL, you will see that the SSL is valid for 1 year. Just click Install. Select your domain, either one of the two, and install the certificate. After that, you just need to wait while the status is pending. Sometimes it may take 4 to 8 hours for the SSL to activate. When SSL is enabled and properly configured, your site will be more secure and trusted by users.